are heading to our monthly leadership meeting here in our office in Vancouver, Canada. We're just so grateful that one of the office here in Canada is here in Vancouver. The other one is in Toronto. And all over the world, I just checked, it's 44 offices. No, I'm gonna be a mistake again. 26 countries,
26.
I would say. So today is the day. It's our monthly leadership meeting, and we are seeing leaders, successful business partners all over provinces of Canada for sure. I know someone, business partners of us, who just came back from the Philippines and landed last night or yesterday, and we are seeing them both into the meeting, and of course celebrating their huge milestone that they achieved the other couple months ago. And now today is the celebration and awardings of the bonuses, and of course our goodies, I would say. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are excited, because this is the end of the week and time flies. How many days before the end of the month again? It's just started, but it's already the middle of the month again, hey? So if you did set up any goals this month or this couple months before the end of the year, I think it's about time for us to set up some goals. What are you busy working with aside from your full-time job, aside from maybe being a stay-at-home mom, or aside from a part-timer worker? What are you busy about these days? For us, obviously, if you're following us, this is our life now. That used to be, I'm the only one attending meeting, I'm the only one driving, I am alone during those days and time and year that we are both struggling and hustling to our corporate jobs. Now this time, if we didn't quit our job, he's still busy there rolling that
I should be working now.
rolling that, how do you call that machine that you're driving?
Doesn't matter.
That's
should be
the
working now.
Yes, but I wanted to share what you're driving before. The forklift,
Oh yeah.
right? So he's a forklift driver too in his job before. So that time when we call him before kids are going to school, so noisy in the warehouse, and we hardly can talk to him. We just say hi, hello, and
They call you guys like 6:30, 7 o'clock to wake you up.
Yes.
All of you going to school, get ready, and by this time I already had almost half day work.
yeah, so that's how the life before. And then during his break, he will call me because the kids are at school already that time. So that's only the moment that we
During
can
my break,
we can
I
talk.
work, remember, the business?
Yes.
That was awesome.
So guys, this is the way how we share how we started the business, from full-time job, full-time parents, and at the same time full-time, double job people. But if you have that why we're doing those two jobs, why we're struggling to go with the alternate shift, because we said and we put it in a perspective that this is not gonna last. If we put some action to what we want in our lives, if we wanna quit one job to the other job, because we have main job like our corporate job, then we have extra, he got extra job, I got my extra job, then Saturday, Sunday we got together extra job. So can you imagine how hard it is, the life, if you
Always
see that?
something extra, even extra bills.
So during those time, this trigger us to go all in to what need to change, and thanks God we took that action. So for you out there, if you are into the same situation just like ours, like before the payday comes, mortgages, and bills are already taken automatically from your account.